Okay, our next game is called Typewriter, and Adam is our world-famous novelist who's going to create one of his world-famous novels for you right off the spot. It will be acted out by any or all of the other actors, providing as many characters as he decides he needs in this scene. So for the first part here, let's what type of genre would you like to see? What type of story would you like to see him write?
Kung Fu.
Travel.
Kung Fu. We've never had a good Kung Fu story before. So we're going to do a Kung Fu martial arts type thing here. Now, what is the title of this Kung Fu martial arts type movie or novel?
High Kicks Galore.
High Kicks Galore. So this is the novel High Kicks Galore by Adam.
Okay, get your head together. Come on. All right. Number 112 in our teen fiction series. We can do this. Think positive, Sandra. We can do this. Okay, I'm going to go out on a limb. I'm thinking Kung Fu. High Kicks Galore. This is going to be perfect. High Kicks Galore by Sanda. I dropped the R for my pen. Sanda McLaughlin. Bradley was wandering the hallways of the abandoned lottery ticket factory. He was searching for his cousin, Jorge.
Jorge! Dude, this isn't funny anymore!
I see you.
Said Jorge in his lilting, sort of Guadalajaran accent.
You can find me.
I'm scared.
It's okay. You'll find me sometime.
Brian was scared because, flashback, Brian and Jorge had been traveling through Panama on a backpacking expedition after their college activities.
Oh, so beautiful here.
You haven't chopped 1 inch of jungle!
I am carrying all this stuff in my backpack.
1 bottle of Perrier?
That is correct. It's a very large bottle of Perrier.
Have some? Thanks, Rory.
You're welcome.
As Jorge and Brian were enjoying quenching their thirst
It's really good.
in the tropical heat, a man in all black with a samurai sword. That doesn't sound right. Not a samurai sword. They don't have samurai swords. A lightsaber.
Oh my goodness.
No, that's definitely wrong.
Oh.
Came out with a broken broom handle.
Not very intimidating.
You know, but like, you know, it's just like all my weapons are not good enough, so I figured, you know, whatever.
The ninja who had received her training in Southern California was only using a broken broom handle to fight with because she was such an excellent sword fighter.
If only I had my sword. I hate brooms.
There's a lot more reliable places online you can train in ninja school now.
Online?
Yeah.
It's true.
As they discussed the ninja's education opportunities, Brian caught the ninja's beautiful green eyes through a small slit in her black pajama ninja outfit.
Wow, you have really pretty eyes.
I know.
Brian, not this again. You fall in love all the time. What girls who can I have?
My eyes are like way more fierce than swords.
Oh, I must have her though. You have to help me, George. Oh, I'm sorry.
Jorge.
Jorge.
My bad, typo.
I cannot help you, Brian. I cannot. Your heart is too precious to me. I don't want to put it in danger.
As they started to bond together for the first time, the ninja woman, who was secretly insecure at being admired so as she had daddy issues, decided to steal Jorge away for reasons that will be revealed later.
Oh no, help me, Brian, help me!
Dude, what about my heart?
We return to the lottery ticket factory and the happy reunion.
It's me! The ninja, she let me go!
I hate you!
End of chapter 1. Oh, this is unfolding strangely. Trust your instincts, Sandra. Chapter 2. Ninjas in the air. Brian and Jorge decided that the factory was not the place to be because it didn't fit the context of the story at all. They had boarded a prop plane and were flying over the vast expanses of the Arctic. They had decided they must seek out the ninja, for Jorge had revealed something very intriguing that would change their lives forever.
So, heard you found something intriguing that's going to change your lives forever.
Yes, I have not revealed it to my cousin yet, but I will do so now. Brian, I am bringing you on this quest to go find the ninja with the green eyes again. For she showed me the ways of the world, and I know I trust her heart, your heart with her now.
Oh, we got some turbulence here.
Jorge realized he had slipped and said, "Our heart."
I think you said our heart, buddy.
That's what I meant, our heart.
This seems really awkward to go on a quest to find the girl you stole from me so many years ago.
Technically, she stole me, okay?
Oh, that's cool.
The other gentleman, who I assume is a pilot or very masculine stewardess, decided to land the plane abruptly.
We'll have to stop our beverage service immediately. We have some turbulence and a quick landing. It's an emergency. Please assume the emergency positions.
Being a Southwest...
Oh, God, no! We're gonna die!
Being a Southwest stewardess, steward, he made some quippy joke that nobody laughed at.
Don't worry, I've only killed 5 people this week.
The oxygen mask deployed, and a reindeer came running from the back of the plane. Behind him came a small chimpanzee.
Don't worry about them, just some black market smuggling.
What kind of plane guy are you?
It's not a regular oxygen.
Yeah, I imported the special stuff. That's pretty good, huh? Oh, chimpanzee in an emergency role.
There's a lot better places to learn how to fly online now.
I couldn't hear you. There's a chimpanzee screaming in my ear.
Where did you learn how to fly?
I learned online. There's a lot of really great places to learn these days.
End of chapter 2. Chapter 3. The site of the wreckage. The only surviving member of prop plane flight 2671 was the chimpanzee. Being alone and having been trained to perform in circuses, the only thing she knew to do was her routine. Just then, the ninja emerged from the forests of the Arctic wasteland.
Excuse me, sir. I see you have a nice hat on, and, well, usually we're all black, so I can't take it from you. But what are these dead people doing everywhere? I mean, I didn't kill anyone today. That was a great poem.
The ninja had been watching from afar as the chimpanzee performed its routine and noticed the graceful way it kicked and pirouetted and such, and was reminded that her master had never taught her the high face kick.
Oh, if only I could kick like you, Chimpy. You think you could teach me? Hooah.
Asterisk, footnote,
Footnote.
chimpanzee translation. Yes, I would be happy to teach you. Do you have any sustenance? I just want some fleas off your body.
Then I'd have to disrobe, and well, you know what happens to ninjas when they don't have their ninja outfit on. They look like Southern California surfer girls.
Yeah, we'll go there. The ninja disrobed. It was 20 below.
Oh no, it's my itty bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, and I'm so cold.
After the chimpanzee had satiated itself on her body lice, they got to work. Training montage. I'm going to do this in a book. I don't care.
Train your monkey. Train your monkey. Train your monkey.
Sick beats. Well, this is going a little bit long, so I think I'm going to leave it at a cliffhanger. We could always use a 128th book. Why not? Keep the royalties rolling in, right? The end.
Let's hear it for